Three, two, one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 1 will discuss an issue that is often one of the scary issues among students and colleagues. We from Group 1 will bring a material with the theme The Role of Mental Health in Student Success. We have 4 members, namely me, Adi Pramono, Nur Ramansyah, Adrian Bagus, and Zakir Fansyah.
Mental health is a crucial component of overall well-being that significantly impacts a student's ability to success academically and personally. As education becomes increasingly demanding, the importance of maintaining good mental health cannot be overstated. Mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and stress can hinder a student's academic performance, social interaction, and personal growth. Recognizing and addressing these issues early is essential for fostering a supportive learning environment. The paper explores the various ways in which mental health influences student success and the measures that can be taken to promote mental well-being.
Students with good mental health are more likely to perform well academically. Mental well-being enhances cognitive function such as concrete memory and problem solving skills, which are essential for learning. Conversely, mental health problems can lead to difficulty in function, retaining information, and completing assignment. This can result in lower grades, decreased motivation, and a higher risk of academic failure. School and educator play a pivotal role in identifying students who may be struggling and providing the necessary support and research to help them success.
Mental health also affects students' social interaction and relationship. Positive mental health fosters healthy relationships, effective communication, and empathy towards others. Students who struggle with mental health issues may experience social withdrawal, difficult in making and maintaining friendships, and challenging in engaging in group activities. These social difficulties can further exacerbate feelings of isolation and illness, creating a vicious cycle. Encouraging a supportive and inclusive school environment can help students develop strong social networks and enhance their sense of belonging.
Personal growth and mental health. Mental health is closely linked to personal growth and development. Students who are mentally healthy are more likely to set realistic goals, exhibit resilience in the face of challenge, and have a positive outlook on life. Mental health issues, on the other hand, can hinder personal development by reducing self-esteem, increasing negative self-talk, and limiting opportunities for self-improvement. Promoting mental health through counseling service, mindfulness practices, and stress management techniques can empower students to achieve their full potential.
Early intervention and prevention are key to addressing mental health issues before they become severe. School can implement programs that educate students about mental health, teach coping strategies, and encourage open discussion about mental well-being. Early identification of mental health issues allows for timely support and reduce the risk of long-term negative consequences. By prioritizing mental health from a young age, students can develop healthy habits and coping mechanisms that will benefit them throughout their life.
Educators and parents play a critical role in supporting student mental health. Teachers can create a positive classroom environment, recognize signs of mental distress, and provide academical for students who need them. Parents can support their children's mental health by fostering open communication, providing a stable home environment, and seeking professional help when necessary. Collaboration between school and families is essentially for creating a comprehensive support system and address the mental health need of students.
Stress is a common factor that affects students' mental health. Academic pressure, extracurricular activities, and social expectation can all contribute to stress. Teaching students effective coping mechanisms such as time management, relaxation techniques, and healthy lifestyle choice can help them manage stress more effectively. School can also provide resources such as counseling service, peer support groups, and stress relief activities to help students navigate their challenges.
Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, mental health plays a vital role in the overall success of students. Addressing mental health issues through early intervention, supportive environment, and effective coping strategies can significantly enhance student academic performance, social interaction, and personal growth. School, educators, parents, and communities must work together to prioritize mental health and create a culture that promotes well-being. By doing so, we can ensure that all students have the opportunity to succeed and thrive both in school and life.
Mental health is a vital aspect of overall well-being that is often overlooked in daily life. Amid increased stress and pressure, maintaining mental health has become a significant challenge for many individuals. Unlike physical health, which is more visible and measurable, mental health issues often remain hidden behind smile or seemingly normal behavior. However, mental health disorder can profoundly affect a person's quality of life, impacting in personal, relationship, and work productivity. In Indonesia, awareness of mental health is growing, but there is still a lot of stigma and misunderstanding surrounding this issue. Many people are reluctant to seek professional help for fear of being labeled as weak or incapable of handling their problems. However, obtaining the right psychology, support, and therapy is crucial for recovery and well being.
We will discuss the importance of mental health, the factors that influence it, and the strategies and intervention that can be implemented to maintain and improve the mental health of the community. With better understanding and appropriate support, we hope to create an environment that is more caring and responsive to mental health needs. Mental health is not just the absence of mental illness, it is about emotional well being, the ability to manage stress, build healthy relationships, and make sound decisions. It affects how we think, feel, and act. Therefore, it is crucial that we nurture our mental health just as we do our physical health. We must work together to break the stigma open conversation about mental health can create an environment where people feel safe to seek help. Education is key. We need to spread awareness about the signs of mental health issues and the importance of early intervention. Encouraging empathy and understanding can go a long way in supporting those who are struggling. Furthermore, access to mental health care should be a priority. We need more research, better funding, and accessibility service for everyone. Mental health professionals play a vital role, and their expertise should be valued and supported.
Let's also remember the importance of self-care. Taking time to relax, pursue hobbies, and connect with loved ones can significantly impact our mental well-being. Simple practice like mindfulness, exercise, and adequate sleep can make a world of difference. In conclusion, mental health is a fundamental part of our lives. By fostering a supportive environment, breaking the stigma, and prioritizing mental health care, we can build a healthier, more compassionate society. Let us all commit to being advocates for mental health for ourselves and for others. As we come to the end of this discussion of mental health, let us remember that our journey towards better mental well-being does not end here. Today, we have taken an important step by acknowledging the significance of mental health and the impact it has on our lives and our communities. Each one of us has a role to play in fostering a society that values and supports mental health, whether it is through open conversation, offering a listening ear, or advocating for better mental health resources. Our collective efforts can make a difference. Let us commit to breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. Let us encourage those who are struggling to seek help and assure them that they are not alone. Mental health challenges are a part of the human experience, and seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember the importance of self-care and the positive impact it can have on our mental well-being. Simple action of kindness towards ourselves and others can create a ripple effect of positivity and resilience.
As we move forward, let us strive to create a compassionate and understanding world where mental health is prioritized and nurtured. Together, we can build a future where everyone has the opportunity to thrive mentally and emotionally. Mental health issues among students in Indonesia and a recent viral case. Mental health issues among students and university students in Indonesia have become a significant concern, especially with the increasing academic, social, and personal pressure they face. Some common mental health issues among students include 1. Depression. Many students experience depression due to high academic pressure, personal problems, or difficult in adjusting to new environment. 2. Anxiety. The heavy load of achievement, high expectation from family and self, and pressure to excel can lead to excessive anxiety. 3. Stress. Stress can stem from various sources, such as exam, pilot-up achievement, financial issues, and personal problems. 4. Burnout. This condition often occurs in students who feel physical and mentally exhausted due to heavy study loads and lack of rest. 5. Eating disorders. Social pressure to have a perfect body can lead to eating disorders like anorexia or bulimia.
Recent viral case suicide of a student at a prestigious university. At the end of 2023, Social media and national news in Indonesia were shocked by the news of a student at a prestigious university in Indonesia who took his own life. This case went viral of several reasons. 1. Academic pressure. The student was known to be under extremely high academic pressure. He felt unable to meet the heavy academic expectation from his campus, environment, and family. 2. Lack of mental health support. Although the university had counseling facilities, the student felt he did not receive adequate support in dealing with his mental health issue. This reflects that there is still a lot of stigma towards mental health issues, causing many to hesitate in seeking professional help. 3. Influence of social media. In some of his last social media posts, the student expressed feelings of despair and the pressure he was experiencing. This shows how social media can reflect someone's mental condition and how important it is for us to be aware of such signs. 4. Public reaction. This case sparked a significant public reaction. Many students and the general public began to voice the importance of mental health and urge educational institutions to pay more attention to the mental condition of their students. Several petitions and campaigns were launched to raise awareness about the importance of mental health among students and university students. 5. University response. After this incident, the university where the students study took steps to improve mental health service, including increase the number of counselors, holding mental health seminar, and creating policies that better support the mental well-being of students. Handling effort. 1. Raising awareness. Conduct seminar, workshop, and campaign to raise awareness about the importance of mental health among students. 2. Providing counseling service. University and school need to provide easily accessible counseling service without stigma. 3. Training for lecturers and teachers. Lecturers and teachers need to be trained to recognize signs of mental health issue and how to provide appropriate support. 4. Building a supportive community. Creating a supportive campus and school environment where students feel safe to talk about their issue without fear of stigma. 5. Increasing family involvement. Families should also be involved in supporting their children's mental health. Educating parents about the signs of mental health issue and how to support their children is crucial. With this effort, it is hoped that similar cases can be minimized and the mental health of students and university students in Indonesia can be well maintained.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.